What's good, SWANZY gang? You know the name is T-Songs. We back for another day that made some books. You feel me? Bro, it's been a minute. I'm chilling. Y'all see my voice is a little bit crazy because I had some mucus in my throat, you know what I'm saying? I really don't know why, but it's kind of a little bit still there. It's not as bad. I was going to record for y'all, but for one, I didn't really have the motivation, and for two, the mucus in my throat, you feel me? It's still there, but it's better, so. Hey, so about today's Thunder Untitled, bro. This video not going to be that long. Hopefully it's not. I don't think it should be. We about to be dyeing my hair again now. This time is different, bro. We not about to just add the color to my hair. Cause y'all see I already got my hair dyed like this. But this time, instead of it just being down here, all the way down here. Wait, where's it at? Instead of it just being all the way down here, bro, it's about to be like up here type stuff. So we about to get straight into it. Make sure that you like, comment if you're new, subscribe, you feel me? We gonna get straight into it. 20K on the way. I'm about to start coming crazy with the videos. Just be patient, bro. I'm just waiting till my time come for me to have the motivation to just record every single day. Cause right now I just been flowing with life. Yeah, I'm gonna section my hair on the 4 parts. Y'all already know how I do. I section out my hair, but actually I'm gonna have to like put 2 rubber bands on each dread like this. I'm gonna have to do this because I'm not redyeing. If I redye it, this is gonna be way brighter than it would be up here. Then the purple gonna be super light and the purple gonna be dark up here. So it's not gonna make no sense in my hair. So at the end of each section, I gotta level them out and then put a hair tie right here. And then I gotta put a hair tie like up here to add the extra dye to my hair. So I'm gonna see y'all when I section out my hair. Then we gonna add some dye, you feel me? Alright, so I just evened out my hair, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna put some like where the dye ends right here and then just do this much, but the dye is so uneven, bro. It's like, cause I had to cut some of my, not cut them, but I had to even out some of my dreads, and with me doing, I had to end up curling it like this so it wouldn't fall out and making it thicker, so it'd be like that. So some of them is like uneven like crazy. So we about to just go like this. I compared them, same length all around, you know what I'm saying? Same length, you know what I'm saying? Same length once again. So everything's pretty even. So what I'm gonna have to do is this by like individual dreads, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to do this one dread at a time. Now this is gonna take a minute, I'm not gonna lie. So we gonna see how this go, you know what I'm saying? I'm moving it up just a little bit because the hair tie is actually gonna push it down some. So I'm gonna put it up a little bit, about that much. I'm gonna recheck it to see if the measurements are still the same. We gonna do this much. It looked the same. Yeah, but still the same. So we should be good. So I'm about to put everything in this right here. All you need is some, I don't know what this is. I guess this is some cream thingy. You need a cream, some powder, you know what I'm saying? The powder to dye, some gloves, of course, and a mixer. That's all you need, you feel me? If y'all hear kids screaming in the background, bro, my neighbor, she got like a lot of kids that's over, so they about to be screaming. But you take this thing, I can't forget, you need the color thingy, you know what I'm saying? This is what I'm using. Express, well, it's called Kiss Express, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm using. That's the brand that I'm using for this video. So you get this, you know what I'm saying, a little tubby tub, you know what I'm saying? Take this out, shake this up, because it got the powder in it, you know what I'm saying? We going all the way, we taking all the powder out. Nah, bro, scoot back when you open it. Last time I was looking all up in it, no, bro, scoot back. See how it's going everywhere? And just open it. I ain't even going to rip it because it's going to fall out. It should be like bluish or purplish. I guess it's because it's purple because my hair is going to be purple. So do this, pour it all out in there. Pour all of it out. I'm not gonna lie, this stuff stinks, bro. Especially when you mix it.
You're a victim.
Alright, bro, I'm not using that no more. So it should be like this much, you feel me? It seemed like a little less than I had before, but it's alright, because then you gotta add this stuff. This curling stuff. So I said curling, this cream stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm so used to doing my curly hair stuff. Then you add the cream and you pour it in there just like that. Wait, hold on. Take this and then pour it in there. To be honest, you want to pour all of it, bro. You want to pour all of it. You want to use all of it because if you got a lot of hair, yes. Before we start, I wouldn't recommend dyeing your dreads if you like less than a year in. Wait till your hair is like a year old to do it, so your hair is like super light and won't come out and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Plus, you ain't got to worry about your hair falling out because it's not going to your scalp. So it's not going to damage your scalp, bro. So y'all that be talking all that trash, I don't care about what y'all talking about. So you want to mix it in there just like this. Just mix it in. Like you a chef, my boy. Chef Boy RT in the building. It's Shmeeny. If you tell my man. Bro, this is when it starts to stink. So you just want to mix it up, you know what I'm saying? Just mix it in there until it get like a, not so watery, but not, well, it actually becomes thick. It becomes like a thick texture, but it's still watery though. It's not too thick. It look like this, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all can see that little thick texture. If y'all can see that, bro, I'll be so happy. But if y'all can't, I'm sorry, y'all. It's just know it's thick, bro. You probably doing it with me, so you know how I feel. Alright, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get all of it, boy. We trying to get all that, yeah. Then you want to get it and apply it to the dreads that don't have like the dye part, you know what I'm saying? So grab some just like these. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? You can grab as much as you want and just put it on there, just like that. I'm avoiding this because I already dyed that. So you just want to grab it and put it on just like that. You know what I'm saying? I got to do that for each and every single one of these dreads. So it's going to be a minute. So I'm going to see y'all in what, like an hour or two? So that's all I got to do is going to look like this for me. And I'm going to see all my hair dye, you know what I'm saying? I got to look at myself do this so I don't mess it up. So I'm going to see y'all in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.
2 hours later.
So look, I just finished this all, you know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting for it to dry. I got a different time for each set. So this second will come out first, then this second. I think this one third. Yeah, this one third and then this one fourth, you know what I'm saying? So they only split by like 10 minutes each. I might take them out after 5 minutes because I did this way faster than I thought. I wasn't going to do every single dread. I don't have the time for that, bro. I just went crazy. So I might have gotten it on some parts of the dye, but who cares? My hair is just going to be different than everybody else's. That's what I wanted anyway. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. I'm gonna see y'all when I get ready to take these out. I may add the color in today. I may not. I don't know. Because once I go to the pool again, my hair gonna be... Hold on, do I got a lot left? Actually, I am gonna add some color in today. I'm gonna show the end results tomorrow though. Or maybe the day after tomorrow because my hair gotta dry. Because last time my hair was purple and it wasn't like how I wanted it to be. So I got 2 of these. This is from my last one. So I'm gonna see y'all when these dry up and all that when I take these out. And yeah, we gonna get up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all, so it's literally been like 2 hours later, bro. I dyed my hair. Y'all see it's a bit too bright. I don't know if it's too bright, but I don't know. You know, y'all can tell this brighter up here than it get darker. I kind of like it brighter though because it feel better and all that. I gotta add some oil to this because it's really dry, but it feels better. I don't know how to explain it. I literally missed some parts of my dreads. That's why I have some of these sticking out and some of them is like blackish and some of them blonde like that. You know what I'm saying? I had to fix them all the way around. You feel me? So look, now my hair is super dry. It's not super dry, but it's dry enough. So now I'm about to take these out and then I'm gonna add the dye and color in basically tomorrow. Cause right now I'm about to have on Call of Duty, you feel me? I gotta grind out the game. Blinks is coming back. Y'all know what Blinks is between me, my 2 cousins, you know what I'm saying? Link is in the description. Go ahead and check out one of our videos. Go ahead and subscribe cause we coming back. Making the biggest comeback in 2021, you know what I'm saying? It's almost over, so that should tell you something. So now I'm gonna take these out. Y'all get the first look. I don't know what it look like when I take them out. I don't know if it look better. I feel like it look way better, bro. I feel like it look way better. Yeah. And then when I dye these tomorrow, I'm about to go crazy, dude. I'm about to go crazy when I dye them. Yeah. It's gonna come right back out because when I go in the pool, the chlorine takes it out. So like, I might as well not even dye them yet. No, actually, I'm gonna dye them because I got a whole nother thing left. It's not like I don't have a lot left. So I got a lot left. So I'm gonna just dye them tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So one of my hair is fully dry and all that. So yeah, look at it. Yeah. Y'all let me know how y'all like the blonde, you feel me? I feel like it's pretty cool. It ain't that bad. I like it. I mean, I ain't even gonna look. Let me look at myself first. Dang, you can most definitely tell the difference. Oh my. This one's like 3 different colors, bro. Dude. But it looks nice though. So look, imagine the blonde being purple and like the purple fades into a darker purple. That's different. That's different. Look, it's gonna be light purple. Look, hold on, let me show y'all the dread. Where is that? It's gonna be light purple up here, and then it's gonna fade into a darker purple. You can't tell me that's not crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I finish this tomorrow, bro. I'm gonna wake up, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna add some of that yellow to it. This is the yellow that I'm talking about, the purple stuff to it. Then I gotta rinse it out, then my hair gonna dry. So hopefully tomorrow's a sunny day. If it's not, then we may just have to wait like a whole nother day, you feel me? For my hair to dry. Cause I let my hair air dry. I don't never dry with a blow dryer. I don't do that. See, hopefully that y'all did enjoy it. Bro, this is not the end of the video. What are you going talking about? I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next morning, you know what I'm saying? I'm super tired. I just threw on the same shirt I had on yesterday because I didn't do nothing. I only had it on for like, what, 30 minutes because I just did the video and the rest of the time I was outside with my shirt off. Y'all know how I be. So now it's time to add the color, you know what I'm saying, the purple, you feel me? So what I gotta do, I'm gonna section out my hair again because I just want to do that because if I have my hair out like this, it's gonna be all over my neck and all that. So I'm gonna section out my hair again. I forgot to tell y'all see, I already showed y'all this, but it's lighter up here and then it fades. So when I put in the purple, it's gonna be like a lighter purple. It's like a sunset, you feel me? It's like a little sunset right here. It's light and then it get dark. It kind of got darker over the night a little bit, but it's still there. You can still tell that it's lighter up here and then it gets dark. So when I put in the purple, it's gonna be light purple, fading in the dark purple. So it's gonna be hard. I'm telling you, bro. It's gonna be like some sunset, you know what I'm saying? So got my 4 hair ties right here. I'm about to section out my hair real quick. This don't really matter how you section it, cause you're gonna get every single dread anyway, so it don't matter. Just make sure that you even out the dreads. You probably don't even have to even them out, cause if you put the hair color up here, it's not gonna stay, cause it's not dye. You feel me? So this don't matter how organized, how many dreads you got in each category or section. If it's going the wrong way, especially if you ain't got no retwists. Like I don't have no retwists like at all. I haven't retwisted in like actually more than 6 months, probably like 7-8 months, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So you just grab all the dreads like these, you know what I'm saying? And then you wanna wet them. You wanna, I said wet. Bruh. You wanna wet the hair, you feel me? You wanna wet the part that's dyed, and then you wanna put this on it. And don't be scared to use a lot, bro. Use a lot of this. I was a little hesitant, you feel me? I was a little hesitant when I dyed my hair. Y'all see, that's why this is not so bright. And this is so bright, cause now I'm like, I don't care no more. I'm just gonna do it, you feel me? So I'm about to have a lot of purple around here. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get ready to take these out, cause this video is basically already long enough, you feel me? I'm just about to put this in there. I'm gonna wait till my hair dries. So it's gonna be like an hour or two. It really say 25 minutes to leave this in, so that's what I'm about to do. Leave it in for 25 minutes, then I'm about to rinse it out. And then we're gonna get up out of here when I show the finishing result, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. So look, this could be the second time that I messed up my, not my hair, but you know, like my hands was super purple, bro. I wore gloves, but like I looked at my hair and then I just feel like some of it wasn't done, so I didn't have no gloves left, bro. We don't have no more gloves left. I used those. I used 2 other pair of gloves that we usually have. Looked in the boxes, no more left. I'm like, bro, I'm not going outside. So I just used my hands, bro. It was like super purple. I was in there rinsing for like 50 minutes, bro. All right, let me chill. Maybe it was 30, you know what I'm saying? That's still a long time though. So my hands is like this for right now. They're not like messed up. Like, look. See, it's not like getting on nothing, so I'm not really worried. Hopefully I don't go nowhere. If I do and I gotta shake somebody's hand, they're not gonna want to shake my hand. But this is how it's looking right now. I had to tie them both together so they won't get all on my neck and all that. It's super dark. You can tell there's light up here and it's dark, so hopefully it fades. If it don't, then it's cool. It's still gonna be purple in the first place, so it don't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I dry these off, and then we gonna take these out, dry them off, and that's it, you feel me? So I'm gonna see y'all in like, what, 25 minutes? Alright y'all, so I just rinsed out this dye, you know what I'm saying? I mean, of course it's still in here, but it was a lot. I didn't know if I should have kept going, but I remember I put in a whole bunch of dye, so like, it's cool. But it's not getting on my hands, so I know I rinsed out every single thing inside of every single section, inside of every single sector, but I was just some of them. Bruh. But look, I'm about to take these out in like a few minutes. I kind of dried them with the towel, but they still wet, you know what I'm saying? Still like damp, so I'm not about to take these out because it's going to be damp all over my neck. Like, it's going to be dripping on my neck and all that. I don't want none of that. That stuff feel like, if you got dreads, you know how I feel. You forget that you got dreads in the back of your neck and you be like, you gotta move, you know what I'm saying? That's how it is. So I'm gonna see you on like an hour. It's only like 9 o'clock right now. Yes, it's early, so I recorded this video around like 7 or 6, you know what I'm saying? So grind is back. No, I don't know if the grind back. We flowing with life right now. We just doing whatever we want. I don't know if we grinding. We chilling, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna see y'all in like, what, 15, 20, 30 minutes maybe. I'm just waiting till my hair dry, then I'm gonna take this out. We gonna get up out of here.
2 hours later.
Bro, look at my hair. It's only like this because I was hooping with my brother, y'all know what I'm saying? I had to beat him in the 1v1 in my room. So I tied these up like that so it won't be in the face. I mean, it wasn't in my face, but I had it back, you feel me? So I did both like that, and then my hair actually dried pretty, I mean, it's a little wet, but it's not that bad, you feel me? So look, it's about that time to take these out. Y'all getting the, matter of fact, I'm getting the first look this time. Y'all don't get the first look because I'm about to look on my phone real quick, you feel me? See how I like them. Let's get it. Ugh, it's low-key wet. Actually, it's not even wet. It's just the hair tie that's wet. That's what it is. Here go this right here. It's low-key wet still. Well, it ain't gonna dry if it's locked up, so might as well let them free. Hold on. This is the bag looking like, boy. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's do the front. This how this side looking. I feel like I'm loving it because I can actually see the dye now. This how it's looking. Y'all let me know. Rated 1 out of 10, bro. Did I really just forget one? You know what? This is the dread that I forgot to like actually dye in the first place. And I really just, no, that's going to be the unique one. Maybe. I don't know if I like it or not. But this how it's looking. Y'all let me know. Rated 1 out of 10 right now, bro. Let's see how I like it. I gotta dye this one, bro. Like, this one is just weird. It's different. But I like it, though. I kind of gotta dye the top a little bit, like, up here a little bit more. And I'll be cool, but, like, it's low-key sunset. So, when it's set in and, like, when it's super dry and all that, Now getting the sun is over with. But y'all see how it's lighter right here and then it get darker? That's cool, bro. That's different. Only thing I don't like, I gotta dye this one right here. Maybe these two right here. And then this one that's blonde. But that's about it, really. I might leave that one blonde just because it's different. I don't know. Let me know how y'all like the dreads, you feel me? Rated 1 out of 10. Hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Here go the front, you feel me? I'm going to give y'all a little 360. Here go the front. Here go the side like these. This is my left side right here. Here go the back. Hold on, let me make sure y'all can see this. There go the back. Here go my right side right here. And then, yeah, this how it's looking, you feel me? So, let me know what y'all rated 1 out of 10 if y'all like it. Give it a thumbs up, you feel me? That you like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe to join the game. We about to make a comeback. I don't know when, but it's happening. I just know it's happening. 20K on the way. We gonna hit it soon. Trust me, I know we're gonna hit it soon. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'll see y'all next video. Swanzy game, no game. We out.